Hello everyone, my name is Rabo and I'm a student of Baxter University MA program. Now I'm going to show you how the website Canva works and how to create the newsletter, and I will give some information how to apply it into our teaching as English teachers. So first of all, we'll go to the site Canva. And from here we can change the language into English. So now everything will be in English. If you haven't registered yet, you have to sign up by pressing this button, sign up. You can sign up with Google or with Facebook or sign up with email. It doesn't matter, but when you press on them, you will be directed to the next page where you will just again press one of the buttons and become the member. So as I am already registered, sign it up, I will just log in. So I'll write my email and the password. And I'm already in. So here different kind of designs are given. You may use any of them and you may go further if you wish. And now I'm just focusing on creating the newsletter. So after pressing the newsletter, I am directed to the page where the newsletter templates and other elements are given. So our first job is just to choose the newsletter template. So it can be email newsletters, real estate, school newsletter, church newsletter, company, and etc. You may go further. And here all the results, all the newsletter types, templates are given. So we can choose any of them. For example, let's take this one. After choosing it, we have to apply both pages, or we can apply them one by one. If we press this one, so both pages are applied. You see, like we have two pages template already, and now it's time to work on the text and on pictures. So we can use photos. So this is recently used photos which I used before, or I can just take the photos from here or search for photos. But when you're doing it, just pay attention and find out if the photo free or not. It's in here. If it's written free, it's free. If you see the picture of cone, it costs some amount of money. If you use free photo, you can download the newsletter easily without any difficulties. If you use the photo which costs some amount of money, at the end you will have on the picture you will see the stamp of Canva. This one is for this one costs $1, and when you just insert this picture, it will look different at the end. So let's choose another photo, for example, fruits. After searching, we can find it, so it's free. I will just insert this picture here. And make it bigger so that it would go on this on the newsletter. And I can change here the topic, the headline also as well, for example, fruits. And now we can move to the next page. Here you can just change everything what's written here. You may write whatever you want. For example, like 7 tips. You may write down here about 7 tips of healthy eating, for example, or whatever that you wish. You may just type in this way, and you may change this text if you wish, change the picture again, If you don't need the picture, just delete it. You don't need anything. And one more thing here, like you may insert the elements. These are elements which I used before, and here you have others as well. So you have the shapes, frames, stickers, liners, bolt, foliage, and etc. Like simple drawing objects also. For example, we can insert one of the sketch of flowers as well. You just press on it. You see it's also free, and put it here. Or you can add another thing like watermelon or melon actually, and use it here. So you may just take away this text if you don't need, or you may just retype. You see, 2 pages are already done. If you want to continue, you may just press add new page and go to template. You may just continue with the same one, or if you wish, you may use another template and continue. You can just, by changing the design of the newspaper, you may make it similar to each other. So you can press that one and add new one, and this will be the first page. 4-page newspaper is here already. So instead of fashion, again we may write down here again fruit, for example, and here we have the element text. You can just insert the text which is ready just by pressing on it. It will appear here. So if you don't need the text under it, you will just delete it. Oh, sorry, I have deleted another thing, so let me delete them first of all. So we don't need the picture also as well, so we'll just delete them, and we can insert the text from here. You see, it looks more beautiful. Here there are some more also as well. So if you wish, you may insert the video also. Wide video. This video will work if you download this newsletter in video version, and it will work there, or in GIF. In GIF also it will just move. So we can just take away the picture, delete it, and insert the video. So video may stay there also as well. So in the next element there is a background. You see, so you can change the background of this newspaper just pressing on one of them that you wish. You may delete the previous one. Now it's like it has changed it, and you can see the background is different, another style. And here there is a uploads button where you can have your own photos which you can download from the Google, or from then upload from your computer. So here I'm keeping my own photos. I can just insert one of the pictures here and put instead of the one which we have here. So I just want to choose this one, for example. Now I should go up. Yes, it's fit. As you see, like if you delete this photo, under it there is another special space for the photo. If you just put the photo on that special space, it will your photo will fit. Okay, and there are some more functions also as well which I have to mention. This button is used to delete the page, and this is for copying, and this one is adding for a new one, and at the same time you can add some notes for yourself, which will be helpful for you later in order to remember some points, in order not to forget. And if you press on one of the pages, there will appear such icon. This is about comments. For example, you may write down the comments in order to forget some more ideas which you are going to include later, or you may write down the comments in order to remind your group mates to include some more ideas or to pay attention. As it was mentioned before by my group mates, you can work in groups also as well. So when you are just making some changes or modifications, you may comment on each other's photos or each other's work. So just write down something and comment. It will be visible, so even your name is also given. So one more thing which is very interesting using this newsletter is inserting the music. So we'll go further, some more, some music. Again, you have to choose the music that's free. You can choose any of them. For example, it's free. So let's choose this one. And now, when you download, you may download with the music. So in order to download, you will press this one. You see here you cannot download it easily, like just directly, because some of the pictures or the templates are not free. That's why it shows pay and download. In that case, we will just press on download a free watermark it dropped. We are downloading it in a video version right now because they was showing as it was a video, and yeah, you can easily download the PDF version as well. So it's already ready, so 15 seconds left until it downloads to my computer. I will show you another way also as well. So you see, you can just choose the PDF standard also as well and download for free. And at the same time, if you want, just you may share your newsletter with your teacher, with your group mates also as well. For example, if you may make it visible, so if you say can view, your guest will just be able to view. If you just choose the can edit, your guests also will be able to make some changes. So now let's see what we have here. So you see, it's a ready video, like a presentation of your newsletter with a song. And here the video is also working. And here we can see the PDF version also as well. This is in PDF version, so 4 pages. Yes, here as you see, this picture is not for free. That's why it has the stamp of Canva. If we get rid of this picture, we'll be able to download the newsletter without any problem. So let's try it now. So we'll just take away that picture and download it one more time. So if you press on download, you see now the download appeared here. You can just easily download now. You may download like in GIF version also as well. So actually the same thing will be downloaded but without that picture. That's the end of my presentation of explanation of how to use Canva newsletters. I hope it was very useful for you, and you'll be able to apply this knowledge in your own